Happy J.R.R. Tolkien Day and Veganuary Day 3. I admit, we're pretty geeky in our house and we always watch Lord of the Rings on the holidays. And today I'm making seed cake to celebrate. To start, line 2 cake pans with parchment paper and grease the sides with vegan butter. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 167 Celsius. Combine the following into a medium-sized bowl. 325 grams or 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 9 milliliters or 1 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 milliliter or 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon or 2 milliliters of salt. Whisk and set aside. Add 60 milliliters or 1/4 of a cup of ground chia seeds and 180 milliliters or 3/4 of a cup of water. Stir and set aside. Add the following to a large mixing bowl. 112 grams or half a cup of unsalted room temperature butter, 125 milliliters or half a cup of vegetable oil, 375 milliliters or 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 milliliters or half a teaspoon of vanilla, and beat together until light and fluffy, about 2 minutes. Add the chia seed mixture in 4 even scoops at a time, mixing until mostly combined after each. Combine 180 milliliters or 3/4 of a cup of milk. Add half of the dry ingredients to the batter and mix until mostly combined. Combine 180 milliliters or 3/4 of a cup or 180 milliliters of milk and 120 milliliters or half a cup of fresh lemon juice. Then slowly add the mixture to the batter and mix until just combined. Add the remaining dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed to be sure all ingredients are well incorporated. Do not overmix the batter. Add 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon zest and 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. Stir until just combined. Divide the batter evenly between the cake pans and bake for 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Remove the cakes from the oven and allow to cool for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then remove to cooling racks to cool completely. To make a drizzle, add 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 125 milliliters or half a cup of powdered sugar and mix until smooth. Then drizzle over the cake. This is the end. I'm going now. I bid you all a very fond farewell. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Thank you for watching. Remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. I wish it need not have happened in my time. So do I, and so do all who have lived to see such times, but that is not for them to decide. All we have to decide is what we do with the time that is given to us.